Navy Vet 76 in the garage. And I just received a package from RTI. I ordered one of the VZ61 Scorpion kits. I thought I'd share it with you if I can get it open. As you'll notice, I have a glove on. I just had surgery on my hand today, and I need to keep it covered. I've got quite a few stitches in my hand, and the numbing is starting to wear off, so it's a little painful. Okay, we got it open. We got all the bubble wrap. Not bubble wrap, popcorn. So, throw this stuff away. Of course, it doesn't all want to go in the wastebasket. See, there's looks like another box inside here. Else here, some pieces laying outside the box. So, good thing I didn't just going to pitch the box. Just I'm going to make sure I got everything. Yep. All right, so got a 10-round magazine. And I think this is part of the decelerator. Okay. I'm gonna get the kit out. Nice looking grip. It doesn't look like it was ever used. You know what? That's not the decelerator, that's my barrel. Yeah. That's a USA. It's a US made barrel. It's really nice. Got a threaded muzzle on it so you can put whatever your heart desires on the end of there. Nice rifling. I don't know if any of that's showing up in the camera. So there's that. There's some grip. Okay. This is the collapsible buttstock. And then all the springs, the bolt springs. It's hard to tell. I think there's packages inside the packages here. So I'm going to lay this out. Those are rods for the bolt. There's a bolt. That's a recoil spring. Another rod, another recoil spring. There's the bolt. Man, it looks brand new. There's a spring in the bolt. Lots of springs. I think, yeah, this is the decelerator right here. And it goes inside of there. I've been doing some studying on that. Trigger guard, and it's all in really good shape. I thought I was going to have this treated, but it looks brand new. That is cool. I don't think it was ever used. It doesn't look like it's been used at all. Okay. And this mess, yeah, it's the trigger group, and it's in pieces, unfortunately. It's means is I gotta figure out how that all goes together. I'm not gonna take that apart right now. And then we got another package right here. Oh, this is the cut up receiver. There we go. That's the back part of the receiver. Put that in the box. And there's the front. And there's a middle section. Now, I did get a receiver from Atlantic Firearms, so you can see how much of that's missing. It's quite a bit missing. This is the this is the auto switch right here, that part of it. This is a semi-automatic receiver, so that's cool. Now there's it goes like that. It says 0 and 20, and 20 is full auto. I mean, that's 20 round magazine. You'll also see this has a dovetail on the back for the well, anyway, it goes like that. And there's not one on this. If I had, unless they change the laws, I'd have to apply for a tax stamp so that I can put this piece on. So right now it's just a pistol build and not an SBR according to ATF. So I imagine my little rivets and pins and everything I need to assemble this is in here. And that's pretty cool. I have to lay it all out. And that's why I got this down, because I'm going to lay it all out and get started on it. Alright. We'll see you during assembly.